Today, we will talk about how to protect plants from animals. Let's have a look at the details. Ready to protect your prized plants from hungry animals? If you've put a lot of effort into your garden, then you probably don't want the fruits of your labor destroyed by common pests with big appetites. Luckily, there are all kinds of strategies to keep these curious critters away, so all your flowers, herbs, fruits, and veggies stay safe. Hot pepper spray. Use hot pepper spray as a spicy solution to make plants inedible. Purchase capsaicin spray, powder, or oil, and apply it to any plants that you're worried pests might target. Since any of these products have capsaicinoids, the chemical that makes hot peppers spicy, they'll act as an irritant that will make critters want to avoid your plants altogether. Fences. Block out pests with tall garden fences. When you fence in your fruits, veggies, flowers, or herbs, plant it at least 1 inch into the ground and at least 3 feet high. You'll block out both burrowing critters like mice and jumping animals like rabbits. Not only are garden fences ideal for preventing invasions from curious critters, but many are decorative too. Covers. Make plants impossible to gnaw on with special plant covers. Give your garden an extra layer of security with any number of plant covers on the market. Most are designed out of a netted or mesh material, so your greenery can breathe and get water while staying pest-free. Pots or raised beds. Make your plants too hard for pests to reach with tall pots and beds. Elevate your plants by placing them in large pots, also known as planters. For example, try one that's 5 feet, so it's too high for rabbits or deer to get to. Veggies, flowers, and herbs animals dislike. Select a variety of plants that your unwanted guests won't find tasty. Since a lot of animals are omnivores, they're attracted to all sorts of goodies in your garden. They're usually really fond of fruits, veggies, and nuts. In order to discourage them from dining on everything you've grown, plant greenery that lots of pests don't crave, like lamb's ears, sage and lavender, poisonous flowers, such as daffodils and foxgloves. Common repellents. Look for signs of certain animals to choose the right repellent. Investigate and search for telltale clues that common unwanted guests have invaded your garden. Scary items or sounds. Frighten animals off with nerve-wracking noises or props. Startle unwanted critters with intimidating props like scarecrows, disorienting effects like flashing lights, and motion-activated products like lasers and decoy kites. A guard dog or cat. Have one of your pets watch over your plants and fend off pests. Since most garden pests are small and shy animals looking for free food, let a larger or more aggressive pet like a dog or a cat roam around. Their intimidating presence should be enough to make critters lose their curiosity and leave the area. Wild grass, weeds, and shrubs. Let grass and weeds grow high so animals won't see all your plants. Feel free to keep any shrubs that pop up too. Leave all of these extra forms of greenery in your garden. They're great distractions for pests, who might prefer to munch on these because they're the first snacks they see. Backup plants or plots. Grow more than you actually need so critters don't eat your entire stock. Make peace with the fact that your hard work and the fruits of your labor will attract some fans. Since animals are really likely to help themselves to a portion of your produce, just have some backup. When you grow more than pests can possibly eat, you'll have a great harvest to bring home. Indoor protection. As a last resort, keep your plants inside so animals can't bother them. If you want to be extra cautious and really prize some choice crops, give them shelter in your home. This super easy trick will keep your greenery out of sight and out of mind, so pests can't even touch it. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.